Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to edit your TikTok caption after posting it. Basically you don't have any option like that, but we can do something another. We just open any video, for example this one, and just tap on three dots here and save this video. Okay, when you save it, your video, where you want to change your captions, we just upload video to your TikTok account. Just tap on plus button at the bottom, and after saving video to your photo library, then we just tap to upload here. As you can see, select video from your gallery, then tap next, and of course add a new caption to this video. And that's it. If you guys have any questions, let us know at the comment below. If not, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe.